Have you ever experienced it when life throws a curveball at you and your bank account starts crying for help? There's a sneaky little trick up your sleeve to conjure some extra cash. Enter the cash advance. The concept of cash advances, often referred to as payday loans, has existed in different forms for centuries. Consequently, pinpointing the exact origin or attributing the creation of the first cash advance to a particular individual or organization proves challenging due to its long history and multiple iterations throughout time. The practice of providing funds in advance against future earnings or paychecks has evolved and been utilized by various cultures and societies, making it a widespread financial approach that has stood the test of time. But we got this little treat for you. Stay with us until the end as we reveal the first modern organization to introduce the concept of cash advance. Get ready, Stealthies, as we sneak up on your financial goals with Stealth Wealth Society. Within the realm of finance's vast and twisty domain, we possess an abundance of financial courses designed to elevate your skills. To embark on a journey of enlightenment in this captivating world, simply follow the link provided in the description. Waste no time and press that subscribe button to stay informed and up to date with our captivating video content. A cash advance denotes a brief loan obtained from a bank or an alternate lender. The term also encompasses a facility provided by numerous credit card issuers, permitting cardholders to withdraw a specific sum of money. Cash advances commonly come with high interest rates and fees, but they appeal to borrowers due to their rapid approval and prompt funding. Cash advance at work. Most credit cards provide the option to borrow a predetermined amount of cash as an advance, which you must repay with interest. Typically, you can only borrow up to the cash advance limit set by your card rather than your full credit limit. To determine your cash advance limit, you can refer to your credit card statement or get in touch with the credit card company. When you obtain a cash advance, the borrowed amount is added to your credit card balance and starts accruing interest, similar to purchases and balance transfers. The annual percentage rate (APR) applied to cash advances might differ from the APR for regular purchases. You can find the specific cash advance APR in your credit card agreement or by contacting your card issuer. Unlike purchases, cash advances do not have a grace period, meaning that interest begins to accumulate as soon as you borrow the funds. There are several ways to score a cash advance. Face-to-face. Bring your credit card to your bank or credit union and make a personal request for a cash advance. Apart from any fees and interest imposed by your credit card company, the bank or credit union may also levy an additional fee. Using an ATM. If you possess a PIN for your credit card, you can visit an ATM and enter the PIN to withdraw cash. However, ATMs typically impose a daily limit on the amount you can withdraw, so this method is only suitable if the desired amount falls within that limit. If you do not have a credit card PIN, get in touch with the credit card company to request one. Certain card issuers may instantly provide you with a new PIN via text or email, while others will send it to you by mail, which usually takes 3 to 10 business days. Online. If you hold an account with the bank that issued your credit card, it's possible to utilize the bank's website or mobile app to make a request for a cash advance to be transferred directly into your account. Convenience checks. Certain credit card issuers offer convenience checks that can be utilized for cash advances. Simply fill out the check for the desired amount and proceed to cash or deposit it at your bank or credit union. Naturally, every type of debt and cash advances come with accompanying fees, so it's essential to be prepared for them. Common cash advance fees. Typically, credit card cash advances incur substantial fees. Prior to contemplating a cash advance, it's advisable to review your cardholder agreement to determine the exact cost involved. The following are the expected fees. Cash advance APR. This can be much higher than the regular APR charged on regular purchases. The regular APR charge refers to the annual percentage rate applied to regular purchases made with a credit card. It represents the interest rate that will be applied to the outstanding balance if it's not paid in full by the due date. Cash advance fee. A common fee is 5% of the amount advanced or $10, whichever's higher. ATM or bank fees. Banks, credit unions, or ATMs may charge a cash advance fee separate from the credit card company's fees. Regular credit card purchases give you a grace period to repay the balance before interest starts, accruing that typically lasts from the last day of your billing period to the date your payment is due. You don't get this luxury with cash advances. Interest begins accruing the day you receive the cash advance. When you get a cash advance on a credit card with an outstanding balance, your payments may be used to repay the purchase balance, which has a lower interest rate, before being applied to the cash advance balance, which has a higher interest rate. Contact your card issuer to find out. If you have several credit cards, minimize the cost of a cash advance by using the card with the lowest cash advance APR and not using a card with a high balance. Cash advance impacts your credit score. Obtaining a cash advance does not have a direct impact on your credit score, and it will not be evident in your credit history that you've borrowed one. However, the cash advance amount will be included in your credit card debt, which can potentially harm your credit score if it causes your credit utilization ratio to rise excessively. This ratio reflects the proportion of your available revolving credit that you're utilizing, and maintaining a high ratio, particularly above 30%, can negatively affect your credit score. Moreover, taking on high-interest credit card debt through a cash advance may have an adverse effect on your credit if it becomes challenging to manage your financial obligations. Timely payments play a significant role in determining your credit score, and falling behind on payments can result in a substantial negative impact. Better cash advance alternatives. A cash advance should only be considered as a last resort during a financial emergency. Instead, explore the following alternatives. Seeking assistance from friends and family. It may be possible to borrow money from a trusted family member or a close friend to address your emergency situation. Ensure to establish a written loan agreement and make timely repayments. Exploring lending circles. Lending circles involve small groups of individuals who pool their money and provide loans to fellow members, often with minimal or no interest charges. Organizations like Mission Asset Fund facilitate lending circles, while community organizations or nonprofits in your locality might offer similar options. If a lending circle reports loan repayment to major credit bureaus such as Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax, successfully paying off the loan could potentially improve your credit score. Considering debt consolidation loans. Debt consolidation loans are personal loans designed to merge multiple debts, such as high-interest credit card balances, into a single loan. Obtaining a debt consolidation loan with a lower interest rate than your existing debts can reduce your monthly payments, making it easier to save for emergencies or repay your debts. A good credit score increases your chances of qualifying for a debt consolidation loan. Remember to carefully evaluate these alternatives before resorting to a cash advance, ensuring you choose the option that best suits your financial situation. When to take a cash advance. In situations where you require immediate cash, a credit card cash advance might appear to be an ideal solution. However, it's important to recognize that cash advances are accompanied by certain costs. Therefore, it's advisable to refrain from hastily opting for this choice without thoroughly considering alternative options. If you determine that a cash advance is your sole recourse, it's crucial to have a comprehensive understanding of all the associated expenses. Subsequently, devise a plan to promptly repay the advanced amount, taking care to prevent any negative impact on your credit score due to the additional debt. As we committed, we will now provide some information about the originator of the modern-era concept of cash advances. During the early 20th century, the United States witnessed the emergence of the payday lending industry in modern times. One of the pioneering entities in offering payday loans was the Salary Purchasing Company, which was established by Alphonse Desjardins in 1907. This innovative company catered to the needs of workers by providing them with small, short-term loans to bridge the gap between their current financial situation and their upcoming paycheck. The introduction of such services marked a significant development in addressing the immediate financial requirements of individuals in need. However, it's important to note that the practice of lending money against future earnings or assets has existed in different forms and cultures throughout history. For instance, in ancient times, people would borrow from lenders who would hold onto personal items or property as collateral until the loan was repaid. The evolution of cash advances and payday loans is a complex and multifaceted phenomenon, with contributions from various individuals and organizations over time. There you have it, folks. Do you have any personal experiences with the pros and cons of making a cash advance? Share with us in the comments down below. Also, don't forget to take the front row seats with various financial courses to help you build your wealth long term. Link is in the description. Until the next video.